Let's talk about the magic underground plumbing miracle that keeps your backyard from becoming a swamp. Your toilet isn't just a portal to nowhere, it's the start of a very specific journey. We need to talk about what happens to your waste after you flush, because it doesn't just vanish into a void. In plain English, a septic tank is an underground settling chamber. It uses two very simple things, gravity and time, to separate the solids and grease from your waste liquid. This allows the remaining liquid to flow into a drain field where the ground can do its thing and filter it out. To understand how this works, think of a settling pond. Imagine a pond where heavy rocks sink to the bottom and oil floats to the top. Because the water is still, these materials separate into layers. A septic tank works on that exact same principle. It uses stillness to separate the heavy stuff from the liquid. Now, while a pond is just sitting there, your septic tank has a tiny workforce of bacteria living inside it to help break down organic waste. When the waste enters the tank, gravity takes over. Within a short time, the mixture separates into three distinct zones. At the bottom is the sludge. These are the heavy solids that sink down. At the top is the scum layer. This is where oils and grease float to the surface. In the middle is the liquid. Because the solids are at the bottom and the grease is at the top, the liquid in the middle is clear enough to move on to the next stage. This middle layer of liquid then flows out of the tank and into a drain field, also known as a leach field. This is a network of pipes where the liquid slowly trickles into the soil. The ground acts as a natural filter, cleaning the water as it moves through the earth. Just to be clear, this liquid isn't perfectly clean the moment it leaves the tank. It just has been separated from the heavy solids so the ground can do the final filtering. So, how do you keep this miracle working? You have to keep the system in harmony. Your tank relies on those tiny, hardworking bacteria. They are very picky roommates. To keep them happy and your backyard dry, you need to avoid tank killers. This means no heavy chemicals like bleach or pesticides, and definitely no pouring grease down the drain. And those flushable wipes? They aren't actually flushable, they just clog things up. By keeping your waste simple and avoiding harsh chemicals, you're ensuring that the bacteria can do their job and your system stays in balance. It's not magic, it's just a very well-designed partnership between engineering and biology. Subscribe for more simple explanations of the world around you.